Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine, and here is tomorrow's to-do list. So tomorrow is 1 by 2021 and I have made some changes in my to-do list. First I will cover tomorrow's current affairs from AffairsCloud. Then I will read April 3rd week of question and answer PDF of April. Okay. Then I will practice 5 box puzzles of prelims level and 2 box puzzles of mains level. Then I will practice 5 questions of mains coding decoding. Okay. These 5 questions will be of coded inequality. Then for maths I will practice 1 arithmetic chapter and then I will practice 2 mains level DIs. For speed practice I will practice 10 questions of simplification, number series and approximation and quadratic equations from grade up quizzes. For English and for mains DI, you can find these DIs in mock test. For English, I will practice 1 mains DI from mock. Then I will read editorial plus vocab and then I will attend English class. For prelims level question practice, I will practice them from bundle PDF course, and this PDF course is available in both languages like Hindi and English. And if you have any doubt, then they provide video solution also. I will give you link in description, and by using my code you can get extra 12% discount. So check the description box, and I have found it pretty useful, so you can also give it a try. So that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. I have not written much tomorrow. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.